What's the meaning of Carib? Carib. Carib.
Carib. Carib. Carib is a term that can refer to several different things depending on the context. One possible meaning is to describe the Carib people, who are indigenous people in South America and the Caribbean. Another meaning is to describe the Carib language, which is spoken by the Carib people. A third meaning is to describe the Carib beer, which is a popular brand of beer in several Caribbean countries. The term Carib can also refer to a type of sea or land vehicle used for transportation.